What up, babies? I'm back again with another lit candle review. This one is from Bath & Body Works, and it's a new. Yeah. I'm excited about this one, y'all, because I almost passed it up. But I seen it in my peripheral, and I was like, got curious, sniffed it, and I was like, what the? This candle is good. What are the candle alerts talking about? I like she. So I picked her up. Yeah. So let's get right into this candle, y'all. Okay, so the candle of the day is the Bath & Body Works Blueberry Spritzer. No, Blueberry Lavender Spritzer. Blueberry Lavender Spritzer. Why you gotta be so animated? I don't know. All right. The packaging is cute. It's a two-tone wraparound with the salt. Shade, they can see it. It's right there. Okay. It has the galvanized top that I love so much. They can see that too. Hush. Anywho. Yeah, y'all think, I don't remember. Is this wax blue? Please let this wax be blue. This wax has to be blue. Okay, I'm scared. Damn. It's white wax with chicken legs. I like it. It's good, but then it got like a funk to it. Like it got like a kick. There you go. A kick, not a funk. Kick, see? Yeah, I like it. All right, let's get into the notes. Oh, what's wrong with your tooth? Y'all, I haven't been to the dentist. My 6 months is up, and I called my dentist because she canceled it because of COVID. And then, like, when we were getting a little bit better, I called and I was like, yo, can I get my teeth clean? And she ain't called me back. Yo, I'm be yuck mouth. What I'm gonna do? Be yuck mouth. Shay, please focus. Okay. So we have juicy blueberry. Why you have to get all like lavender petals, lemon juice, splash of club soda with essential oils. Ew. The candle alerts, some of them is like poo, but I don't know, y'all. I'm excited to burn this one. Yeah, it's kind of weird. But I think it's going to be good. So let me trim, light, and get this puppy started, all right? Y'all coming back? Come on, come back, because I'm going to be back, all right? Stay tuned. Hi. Okay, so... Y'all, you cannot make this stuff up. This not the same candle that the candle alerts were complaining about. This not it. The one the candle alerts are complaining about, y'all, is berry. It's the berry spritzer. Not the blueberry lavender spritzer. Did we even know that this one was out? Have I discovered a new that no one else has? What's going on in America? Y'all, I'm telling you, I'm shook right now. I am shook. And is this even a new? Like for real? Now I have to search it because... I'm intrigued. Y'all, I was like, huh? All right, let's see. I don't think. Okay, so I searched. I don't see any reviews on this candle, but I do see that a couple people have listed it on Macari, all right? I'm so silly, y'all. Reading is fundamental, okay? Because truthfully, I was like, What is wrong with them? This one is good. This is a good candle, y'all. It smells like a seltzer water with flavor. You know, that's what it smells like on heat. On a low flame. I like it. Hey, Mike. Shake, please. No, okay. So the throw on this thing, y'all, is like a 7. Here's like a good solid 7. It's a very steady, solid, smooth. What? It's a good burn. Really good performing candle. No soot. Yeah, y'all, it's a nice even pull, medium flame. It's just doing its thing. It's just hanging out saying, here I am. I'm not trying to cause no trouble. I'm just here, you know, singing in the background, you know. So check me out, you know. I'm not trying to, you know, be all in your face, but I want you to know I'm here. Yeah, I'm just in the background doing what I do. And I like this candle, y'all. Blueberry Lavender Spritzer. Yeah, I'm glad I decided to smell this one, thinking it was something different. Yeah, she's a keeper. She's a keeper, and if it comes back and it's on sale, yeah, repurchase for sure. Yeah. Okay, so it's so bubbly, you know. Yeah. By the way, I hate seltzer water. I don't like the way that stuff tastes. It's weird. Girl, I just gurgled. It's weird, but anywho, if you like a light, bubbly, fruity, with a kick kind of scent, this is the candle for you. Yeah, I like her. Shit, I'm gonna say that. I'm just shocked because it's not something I would gravitate towards. You know, it's just not a shade type of candle, but she's good. Anywho, enough. Having said all of that, I will see you babies later. I love you guts. And be good. All right?